Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Substitution Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on substitution, and we have 11 problems to solve. Now, we have had a lesson on this particular topic, and it explains the process involving substitution. So if you're not sure what to do or how to proceed, on the next slide, just find the link. It will direct you to go to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all the examples. Now let's have a look what's required. Consider the numerical value for each of the following pronumerals. So remember, a pronumeral is the same as a letter, and it takes the place of a numeral. So the A has a value of 4, B has a value of -3, C has a value of 5, and D has a value of -2. So we have to find a value for each of the following algebraic expressions using substitution. So AB plus D is an algebraic expression. And all we do, we substitute the values of A, B, and D into this expression here, and then we'll get a numerical value once we do the calculation. Now, it's very important with most of these examples that you remember the rules for order of operation. That's the important thing. And then what are the rules for multiplying negative numbers together, and also the rule for dividing negative numbers. So those three rules are very important in order to do each and every one of these examples. So basically the first four are quite straightforward. You must make sure to substitute the correct values into each pronumeral. Now, if you remember order of operation, it always says to work out what's inside the grouping symbol first before you proceed, and it's the same here. Okay, and here you have to be particularly careful. There is an example in the lesson which shows you how to do something like this. There's a little trick involved, so be very, very careful when you do this one, and also for number 10. So basically this video has presented a worksheet on the topic of substitution, where we have to substitute some given values of pronumerals into an algebraic expression and then find a numerical value for the algebraic expression. If you need help, on the next slide there is a link. Just click on the link and it will take you to the video, and it will explain how to do all of these examples.